All right, friends, I could not figure out how to fix the audio, so I'm just going to put audio over the old video by sharing screen right now. So if you couldn't figure out how to do math today, I'll show you right now. All right, so the math video looked like this. And we were first talking about the name of these shapes and the number of faces and number of vertices for each shape. So you can see that the first one is a rectangular prism. If you count the faces, you'll see that it has 6 faces and 6 vertices. That's what we practiced yesterday. And 8 vertices. Okay. 6 faces, 8 vertices. This bottom shape, what's the name of this bottom shape? Cube or rectangular prism? Good, it's a cube. And a cube, similar to a rectangular prism, has 6 faces and 8 vertices. The difference is that the faces are all the exact same size, compared to the rectangular prism, which has rectangles for the faces. All right, choose the shape of the faces that make up this object. So if you put a bunch of these 2D shapes together, which 3D shape would it make? So which 2D shape do you need to make this 3D shape? Good, you need the square to make the cube. How can you identify cones and cylinders? So this orange one is a cone, and this red one is a cylinder. And we can identify them by their attributes, just like we identify cubes and rectangular prisms. So a cylinder has 2 faces, but as you can see, there are no corners, no points that come together, come to a point in a cylinder. So we say that it has 0 vertices. We can do the same thing for the cone by naming how many faces and how many vertices. The cone just has 1 face at the bottom. It's a circle. And it does have a vertex. It's up there at the top. So a cone has 1 face and 1 vertex. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start our worksheet. So if you would turn to page 717, that would be awesome. And then you can watch me here go ahead and draw a cylinder and a cone. Remember, it's tricky to draw 3D shapes because what you're drawing is flat and 3D shapes are solid. So sometimes we do dotted lines to represent the back of the shape. This is my attempt to do it on the computer. Hopefully your cylinder and cone look a little bit better. All right, cones and cylinders are 2 more types of 3-dimensional shapes. Both have at least 1 face. Only cones have a vertex. So you can see the cylinder has 2 faces, 0 vertices. The cone has 1 face and 1 vertex. So you're going to go ahead and do that for each of these. We're going to circle the name of the shape and write the number of faces and vertices here. So this is a cylinder. There I go. And the cylinder has two faces and 0 vertices, just like we talked about before. How about this shape? What's this shape? Good, this one's a cone. And the cone has one face right there and one vertex right there. Awesome. Identify each shape, circle the name, write the number of faces, just like we did before. How about number 3? Is number 3 a cone or a cylinder? It's a cylinder. And I can look from my work before that a cylinder has 2 faces and 0 vertices. What shape is this? Good, this is a cone. And I can see from my work before that a cone has one face and one vertex. Circle the shape of the face that are part of each object. So this cone looks like a triangle, kind of, but the face of a cone is not a triangle. The face of a cone is a circle. The bottom flat part of it is a circle. How about the face of a cylinder? Good, that's also a circle. Circle the object that has the faces shown. So 2 circles could be the faces of what object there? Good, it's that can. Exactly. So you can pause on this page if you need more time. Which 3-dimensional shape has only one face? We were just talking about it. Cone. What shape are the faces of the cylinder? Draw each face. Top and the bottom of this cylinder are circles. Good. And then you can draw 2 circles to show what the faces look like. Which shape is different? Explain why. So there were a couple different options for this one. You could say that the sphere is different because it has no faces. Or you could say that the cone is different because it's the only one with one face or one vertex. It's kind of up to you how you want to differentiate between these shapes. The cone, I chose to write that the cone, it only has one face, and that was the end of mine. So if you'd like to copy that, you can pause and copy here. And then I'll just go ahead and read to you the next page so that you can do this part on your own. You need to identify the shape for number 1. Is it a cone or a cylinder? And then write the number of faces and the number of vertices. Same for number 2. Is that one a cone or a cylinder? Write the number of faces and the number of vertices. Awesome. Pause there if you need more time. I'm going to move on. The last page has you circle the shape of the face that are part of the object. What face is that cylinder? And then circle the object that has one face shown. And lastly, number 5, a dog chew toy has 2 faces shaped like circles and no vertices. 2 faces shaped like circles, no vertices. What shape is the chew toy? You can see me saying this twice if you want. I didn't realize it was me on top of me. The last one has you circle the correct answer for vocabulary. Which one of those is a cylinder? And then for number 7, which one of those is a cone? Okay. Hopefully the audio on this one worked. We'll get through it together, friends. All right, now there's me on top of me. See you later. Bye.